all my life, I really thought that I have already studied, I have already acquired the most important skill in data science. But you know what? I was really wrong. I was really wrong all those years, all those months of believing that the only way to really understand data science and the only way to do a data science job is to just understand the mathematics, to understand the statistics, to understand the different algorithms. I don't say all of these things are really not important. Actually, they are very important. But it's actually a question of, are they the only things to learn? Are they the only things to focus on while you are still preparing yourself to having a data science job in the future? When I landed a data science job, I have experienced a lot of intimidation. I have experienced a lot of self-pity, not because I did not know and I do not know how to do the job, but it's actually I do not understand properly the role of data engineering in data science. For most of my works in data science, before I apply my expertise in data science algorithms, I still have to process the data. I still have to access the data. I still have to transform the data, not in a Python environment, like for example, Jupyter, as well as PyCharm. But before you are going to use all of these environments, or just one of these environments, you first have to learn to understand how to process the data in a different environment. Like for example, we have an Oracle SQL developer. 70% of our job as a data scientist centers on data engineering. And for all of you, if you are just preparing for your job, if you are preparing yourself to become a data scientist, as early as now, I want to tell you that you have to focus on not just in building an algorithm, not just in understanding the statistics of data science, not just the application and the use of linear algebra in optimization, but you also have to focus on the different fields. And for this video, I want to tell you that you first have to focus on data engineering alongside the different data science algorithms. I know, guys, it's very tedious. I know it can be very difficult for some, but it's going to be worth it. Do you want to know more about this channel? Just click these cards. We do have a lot of free data science courses for free, like Machine Learning Essentials, Deep Learning Mathematics, and a lot more. Here, you can always learn an upskill for free.